Chapter Locomotion and Movement. The pivot joint between atlas and axis is a type of option A cartilaginous joint, B synovial joint, C saddle joint, D fibrous joint. Answer option B synovial joint. 2. Name the ion responsible for unmasking of active sites for myosin for cross-bridge activity during muscle contraction. Option A calcium, B magnesium, C sodium, D potassium. Answer option A calcium. Lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in sustained muscle contraction is known as option A tetanus, B tonus, C spasm, D fatigue. Answer option A tetanus. 4. Which of the following joints would allow no movements? Option A synovial joint, B ball and socket joint, C fibrous joint, D cartilaginous joint. Answer option C fibrous joint. Stimulation of a muscle fiber by a motor neuron occurs at option A the neuromuscular junction, B the transverse tubules, C the myofibril, D the sacroplasmic reticulum. Answer option A neuromuscular junction.